Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Those who did not gone through part 1, go through it. The link is given in the description. Okay, now here polycide similar triangles second part, and these are most important basic level bits and you can expect for various competitive examinations. Okay, so let us see now. Pick out the Pythagorean triplet from the following. Okay, so don't be panicked by seeing. So let us go to the options and three questions I have given. So if you observe carefully, Pythagorean triplet from the following they said, nothing but we have to go for the Pythagoras theorem. So here let us check for A option. A option is nothing but here for first one, 4 square plus 6 square should be equal to 9 square. So this implies I can write here 16 plus 36. Anyhow not equal to 81. So now A option fails. If you consider orally also 20 square is equal to 5 square plus 10 square. So this also B option also will fail here, and C option is true here will be, let us check now, and C option 41 square is equal to 9 square plus 40 square. So this you will get if you check it. Okay, 9 square 81 and 40 square is 1600. So finally 41 square used to 1600. If you are good at Pythagorean triplet, you can pick up directly, so because most repeated Pythagorean triplets they are. This is our, so anyhow D is not the option here. A and B has been failed. Anyhow D is not the option. C is the option for this. Since it is a competitive examinations, I have gone through directly. Okay, this you have to remember. So square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Then only it forms a right angle triangle. Next, which of the following do not form? Here, which are, pick out the Pythagorean triplet. Pick out Pythagorean triplet. Here, do not form. Here, it should not form. That we have to pick up. So let us see now. Here, obviously, this is a repeated 3, 4, 5 will form a Pythagorean triplet. And here 8, 15, 17 we got many times forms a Pythagorean triplet, and this one also forms and this one does not forms. Okay, so here you can check it also, 6 square plus 10 square which is not equal to obviously 18 square. So directly here you can write it. So please viewers, the first and second one here just memory based purely for the competitive examinations, or if you good at calculations you can proceed directly. So please be aware of it. Here pick out the Pythagorean triplet. Here which of the following do not forms the sides of a right angle triangle. So this type of MCQs you can accept basic level in all the competitive examinations and Olympiads. Okay, so now in triangle ABC, if AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, then the vertex that has right angle is at which vertex they are saying. So nothing but if you consider here, this is nothing but our converse of Pythagorean theorem, nothing but consider right angle triangle. So they given here, okay, just you consider some triangle. Okay, so A, B, C. So here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, no? So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, then angle B will be 90 degrees. Here it will be 90 degrees. Okay, so this is by, then I can write here angle B is 90 degrees by the converse of Pythagorean theorem. Okay, this is a condition given. So this is nothing but angle B, the vertex B here, B vertex, nothing but A option. Vertex B, A option. Vertex A is, vertex B is A option, vertex A is B option. So don't get confused. This is one of the confusing MCQ also. Okay, so please be aware of it. And here, for the easiness sake, this is not needed in generally here for this question. So the short form is nothing but out of here ABC, the letters ABC. In triangle ABC, 3 letters will be known, vertices ABC, So A and C has been present. So B is absent here. So which one is absent? That will act as a vertex. So this is nothing but our vertex. So here this is a vertex and angle B is 90 degrees. Then the vertex that has a right angle. So this is nothing but a shortcut, a tip, trick. No need to go for diagram, applying converse of Pythagoras theorem, etc. Okay. So once you have the look of three objective bits, so please viewers, from this you have gone through some Pythagorean triplet. This is one Pythagorean triplet, second one, third one and fourth one. So in this video indirectly you have been learned 4 Pythagorean triplets, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope so this video you got the best knowledge and experience regarding the Pythagorean triplets. Okay, please memorize around 10 or 12 repeated Pythagorean triplets, then easily you can answer. Okay, here Pythagorean triplet which do not form a right angle triangle, nothing but not a Pythagorean triplet, and here at which vertex. Okay, so you can check it in this way, first and second one. If you memorize, you can go to it very easily. So like this, every video has its own importance. Hope so. And this is a shortcut you liked, I think so. Without doing and everything with the diagram. Important, expected bits and interesting. Okay. See you in the next video session.